Talk with Miss Grant. I'm here today just to give you some visuals on how this course would look, what we would like to teach you over the next 2 years, and how you would be assessed. Now, you don't need to be the world's most skillful drawer or the world's most talented artist to take art, craft and design at GCSE, but we do expect you to have some creativity, determination, ambition and drive. Now, there's lots of things that you can take to the world of work from art, which are transferable skills. Pause the video at any time if you would like to read what you could gain from this course. Now, it's a 2-year course and you will complete 2 projects each year. The projects are designed to develop your skills at different times, challenge you as your natural skills progress. The course is made up of 2 components. So we have component 1, which is your coursework, which is everything that you do in lesson time. Component 2, which is your exam, which is set at the end of year 11 by AQA. Now, this is just a set of work from a current year 11 student that they've produced in year 10. As you can see, that the main part of this is the visuals, is the drawing, is the painting, but there is aspects of analytical language that we do expect you to have in art. Please do not opt to take art if you think that this is going to be an easy subject. There is a lot of tier 2 and tier 3 vocabulary that we do require if you want those higher grades. Here's just some work inspired by the artist Jim Dine, looking at the everyday. We're looking at different medias, different processes, and different compositions to show different lighting and different styles. Now, this is a lovely set of work from a current year 10 pupil who's looked at the everyday portrait. It just gives you an awareness of how art actually works. We start to introduce you to a portrait artist. You were then given some time to produce an artist's copy. You would then expand and summarize that research on that further artist. You provide us with an image, and then you will use precision to complete your image in the style of that artist. Now, you will be assessed exactly the same as every other subject through written feedback and progress checks. And as we are a 60%, 40% coursework exam course, everything from year 10, day 1 in year 10, will count towards your final grade. Now, as we said, the first project that you will study in year 10 is called the Everyday. You will then be given 2 projects which are independent, which give you a little bit more scope to kind of go down the avenues that you want to study. And then finally, you will have your externally set assignment. Now, here's just some range of careers and job prospects that you could maybe go into if you wanted to take art. Basically, anything that needs to be designed requires an artistic background. Again, here's just some more visuals on how things would look in our art. We've got 1 student working in a sketchbook, another student working on boards. Yes, a key part of the drawing and painting, but again, we've got that tier 2 and that tier 3 vocabulary permeating around our work. Here's just some more examples. So we've got cultural and symbolic art versus kind of our local architecture. So again, it's just showing that independent project. You can look at whatever you want to look at once you have that vast range of skill settings. We've then got some more mature themes. So we've got looking at artists to look at more kind of mature aspects. We've got kind of racism, mental health, women's rights, animal testing, just things that provoke a bit of passion. It gives a bit more of a contextual reason why artists do what they do. And lastly, we've got a pupil who had responded to our art theme in more of a graphic style. We don't need to kind of draw in every aspect, but you are required to draw. It is an art course, but this pupil has responded to 1 project in a more digital, with a more digital eye instead of a hand drawing final piece, which is absolutely fine. Now, if you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with your class teacher. We've got the options night coming across. It's really important that you ask these questions now, and I look forward to seeing you all in September. Thanks very much. Bye.